That's for sure.
Okay, copy. That helps. Thanks.
Okay, I don't know if you guys are still tracking it with the camera.
We actually can't see it anymore, Brett.
Okay, it started over window 8, then quickly moved towards the nose of the orbiter, and we tracked it through windows 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it's out sort of out window 5. It's moving away. The last focal length we had was well over 100 feet, an opening.
Okay, copy that.
This is Mission Control Houston with Atlantis Commander Brett Jett talking with astronaut Terry Wirtz here in Mission Control about an object the crew members noted outside the windows of the Space Shuttle Atlantis. Jett describing it as some kind of reflective or metallic looking cloth, but definitely not a rigid or metal object. Seen moving away from the space shuttle at least 100 feet, in his words. The crew also took digital still photos that will be downlinked to Mission Control. This is Mission Control Houston now with a mission elapsed time of 10 days, 20 hours, and 21 minutes. This view of the Space Shuttle Atlantis looking at the robotic arm operations with the shuttle robotic arm attached to the orbiter boom sensor system to continue inspections of Atlantis to ensure that it is in good shape for landing tomorrow. The mission managers, engineers, and flight control team have not determined any areas of interest for this sensor or camera survey of the orbiter, just using the procedure that is in place and the time available to inspect all the critical surfaces of the space shuttle. The instrumentation communications officer here in Mission Control operating the payload bay camera with reflections in the camera lens as it looks past the Space Shuttle Atlantis.
Digital downlink.
We do see that.
Okay. That's looking out in front of the orbiter.
Okay, we're seeing 3 or 4 objects. Can you confirm that it's just the one that's actually moving? The other ones are just reflections?
No, there are 3 objects. The one you see 2 rings right there. They're the ones we kind of had the late tally-ho on. The one down the bottom, that was the one we initially saw that appeared to be foil. So we've got like 2 rings and then the piece of foil. The piece of foil seems to be further in front with the grounding strap on. It seems to be further in front of the other 2, and the other 2 seem to be about the same equidistant from both us and the forward one.
Copy that.
The crew We're actually commanding this payload bay camera to look at the objects observed out the flight deck windows.